about UDA is just teething problem. And we have not even launched the UDA party. No. But when we announced that there will be coordinators, maybe I think it has been taken badly by some people. But that's not the stand of the head office. That's not the stand of the deputy president. And I can say, because I have seen that in Nakuru, coming out, it's like people are saying there is a problem. It's not a big problem, it's a teething problem. It's just a teething problem. And especially in Nakuru, I cannot let that we may kill the peace, which was put here by the deputy president and the president himself, 2013. That peace is very important for all of us. And what I would say, the deputy president is calm and he is ready on the small problem or teething problem. And the UDA is going to stand, it's going to be very strong. Even the people we have put in the different vying seats, you've done it before launching. So the teething problems, they cannot miss. Those are just teething problems. And especially in Nakuru, I want to assure the people of Nakuru, our first priority and Rift Valley, it is peace. And I think anybody who is going to contrary of UDA, thinking maybe he can create problem, let me tell him, it will not be workable.
Thank you so much. Mheshimiwa, I heard you saying that UDA party, you've not launched. So when are you intending maybe to launch this party?
It's when we are in process. You know, you cannot launch the party when you have not done recruitment. It is so. I've been chairman of Kano for 10 years. I know how to do these things. So we were just trying now to start recruiting people. Although some people have hijacked in the wrong way. Let me tell Kenyans, and let me tell the people who are listening in Nakuru County, there's no any direction is given by UDA office to put coordinators in the constituency, in the ward, in some location. No. There's no instruction given by the head office to tell people to register the aspirants of 2022. I'm hearing people calling them and telling them to register as an MCA, as an MP, and they're asking people money. No, that's not the way. Not the way. And you people are giving money on corruption. That is totally corruption. We are not going even asking the people to register or people to declare their interest of 2022. We are still very far. But you have been calling and you are giving the money. Please don't do that. Let's agree on the way to mobilize people, to register people. These other things will follow after that. But now we are just in stage of a one coordinator per county, unless we shall change when we go to Nairobi. But the coordinator should be one, and not going to fill people and to calling people from one side. No, that's not the way. And I have talked with the deputy president. That is not his will. That is not his direction. That's not the direction of the party. No. People should be very careful on that.
Lastly, Mheshimiwa, is Tanga Tanga Group intact as it was before?
You know, Tanga Tanga Group, as we were called and we agreed to accept that name, we are still intact. We are still intact. Teething problem, and people doesn't mean that they are going, it's just teething problem. It's not a problem. And let me tell you one thing. If you identify a problem, it's no longer a problem. Because you have identified the problem. The problem comes when you have not identified the problem. We have identified there's a problem on legislation, so it is not going to be longer a problem. But when we finish, we are going to give the direction, and I'm going to give a statement.